Hi, this is Reverend Ken. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share our video and comment on the video. It will mean a great deal to us. It will help spread our message out to a wider audience. So again, be sure to like us, to make a comment about us, or to share it with all your friends. It will do a great deal of good. Thank you so much. Know this truth with me today. There's only one power, one mind, one God, and that power is perfect love. It's divine intelligence. It is flowing through me, with me, and for me. And here today, I now know that there is an intelligent way I can move ahead in my new world. There's a way I can move ahead with health, with love and joy and prosperity. There's a way that I can move ahead and enjoy my life, to have wonderful love, great joy and adventure, fun and excitement. There's a way for me to live, to have amazing family and friends and community. Here today I proclaim this right knowing, and here today in this place of power I send out wonderful gratitude for all those people who are working so diligently, who are working so hard, who are putting their lives at risk. The nurses, the doctors, the technicians at the research facilities, the grocery store clerks, the cashiers and the truckers bringing supplies across the nation. I'm grateful for all these people, and I know the Spirit of God is raising up a bright light of possibilities for me, for them, for our nation and the world. A brand new world, a brand new day of possibilities where we live in joy, where we live knowing one another in the love and compassion and kindness of spirit. It's what God has called us to do, and today I'm saying yes to it all. This is my truth. I celebrate it. I rejoice in this right idea, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is.